Hello children, in this video we are going to start chapter 9, which is going to be money. Under this chapter exercise 1 we are going to see about how to write the rupees and paisa. Okay, so here to denote the rupees, the symbol is given to you as like this. So your rupees can be written in the symbol like this. Okay, so now I'll just show you some amount, and after that we can just write that particular amount in a rupees. So first just look into this. How much is this? 100 rupees. Yes. So here this 100 rupees can be written this 100 rupees can be written as with this symbol. This is the rupee symbol. After the rupee symbol you can write 100. Okay. So now this is 50 rupees. Okay. So this 50 rupees including 10 rupees. How much is together? 50 plus 10. This is 50 rupees and this is 10 rupees. Together how much? 50 plus 10? 60 rupees. Yes. So now we are going to write this 60 rupees. Symbol, rupee symbol 60. Okay. So now again, so here this is 10 rupees. This is 5 rupees. This is 2 rupees. Now add together 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So this 17 rupees can be written with the symbol 17 rupees. Okay. So now we'll go with paisa. Okay. So here 5 rupees. This is 2 rupees. Here I have 50 paise. Can you see? This is 50 paise. This is 2 rupees. This is 5 rupees. So all together, how much is this? 5 plus 2 is 7 rupees. 7 rupees plus 50 paise. You will call it as 7 rupees 50 paise. So this, when you write rupees, 7 rupees 50 paise. Okay, 7 rupees and 50 paise. So this can be written as first rupee symbol 7. Okay, point 50 paise. Okay, so this is one way of writing 7 rupees 50 paise, P as a paise. But when you write exactly rupee symbol, so 7 rupees 50 paise, this can be written with the dot. So this dot separates the rupee and the paise. See, 7 rupee 50 paise. This is a dot. This is the dot which separates the rupee separately and the paise separately. So the numbers which are there towards the right side of the dot shows the paise. See, after this dot, no, right side of this dot, that is to our side, to our right side, after this decimal always denotes paise. Okay. So now the number to the left of the dot, left of the dot, this is the dot, left side of the dot, the number always shows the rupees. Okay. So now for example I'll show you one more. This is 1 rupee coin and this is 50 paise. So this altogether 1 rupee 50 paise. So we'll write it as 1 rupee 50 paise. So now this can be written as rupee symbol 1 rupee dot 50 paise. Okay, so this is how you can that is write the rupee and paise together using the dot symbol with the rupee symbol. Okay, so next we'll just see, write the following in the short ways. That is the same manner they have given some rupee and paise and together we are going to combine and we are going to use the dot to mention this amount. So first 20 rupees 65 paise. So rupee means this rupee symbol has to be written first. Okay, then how much rupee? 20 rupee. 20 rupee. And how much paise? 65 paise. So always this paise has to be that is has to be written after the decimal. So first keep the decimal, after keeping the decimal write 65 paise. Okay, so next 12 rupees. Rupee symbol 12. 70 paise. So the paise has to be written after the decimal. Decimal, that is 0.70. So next 8 rupees. Rupee symbol 8. So do we have any paise here? No. So that we are going to leave as it is, or you can just keep a dot and mention 00 so that paises are not given. So 2 rupees 50 paise. So rupee symbol 2 rupee 50 paise. So paise means dot and then 50. Okay, so hope you have understood how to write these rupees and paise together using the rupee symbol and dot. Thank you, children.